Welcome back to bonding once again. Meron kami, gagawa kami guys na Sundae.
Sundae challenge. Sundae challenge.
So kung sino guys yung magandang gumawa ng Sundae ice cream, ng kanyang ice cream design, meron
But
kami
guess
dito.
what? It's not a regular video today. It's a challenge video.
Meron
today.
kaming chocolates. Meron kaming
and our ice cream cups.
food
And
dessert.
ice cream cups. Mom and ice cream
Mga toppings.
Yeah, we have so many ice cream
Okay.
cups.
So put in your stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, this is your spoon.
What's my spoon? This is my spoon. Take our ice cream over here.
So
Ready, set, go.
go, go.
But it's not a time challenge.
It's not time challenge. You can make your own design, okay? So,
Okay.
sige bro, sige. So my chocolates. So lagay ko yung chocolate sa cup.
I cannot take it out. What?
Missy. Sige, busy. Ayan.
Mom, tell you this. What? I have this. My handle's all.
Okay, it's okay. Where's the towel?
We don't have a towel. I like it.
Can you move here?
No.
Can you move here, Gabe? Move here, Gabe.
Okay. I need the whipped cream. Mom, can you help me open this?
Lagyan natin dito ng vanilla here. Vanilla.
No, don't give it mine to me.
Here. So,
Mom, we're not supposed to use all the stuff that the other team has. You're supposed to use your stuff.
oh, I want to make chocolates mine.
So you want to make a combo ice cream, huh?
That's your done doing yours?
Yeah. Can I have one cream on mine? Yeah,
Can you
but
pick
wait.
that one, Gabe?
Oh, that one. Can I check? Yeah.
Okay.
I'll do it. I'm going to put mine down.
Okay. How about you, Gail?
Yeah, I want the water down.
Wow!
Whoa, chocolate.
Chocolates here.
I want chocolate.
Hold on.
On mine. I'm opening it. I got
Wow, Gwen.
me. Sign up.
Here we go.
I want one.
This is Gwen.
I want one.
This is gillean.
Well, we're not done, okay? We're not done. This is not the end of the video.
Put all together.
What's all the kettle? Making. Why is it coming and out? Jelly. The jelly sauce. Jelly. No eggs. Hey, Mom. It's not coming out.
Not coming out.
Jelly. Oh, now it is. Jelly.
Cherry, Gail.
I like jelly.
You want cherry too?
Not jelly.
Wow, Gail.
We're not done yet.
Not yet then?
No. We need to put the ingredients. No, you need to put that in. We need to put that in.
Where?
We put that in.
No, that's not caramel sugar. We're not put the caramel and the chocolates is not this one only.
Can I try the caramel? Can I try the caramel?
Laro.
We open the caramel and see what it does. Because we want our food to be good. Me too. Well, Gwen, I hope you don't get stuck. I'll do it.
And we put the chocolates. Hops. Yummy? Ah, yeah! So, lagay natin dyan.
I want start. I want jelly. I want jelly. Jelly.
I'm trying to put.
I want the jelly. Bye.
Yay!
Jelly.
Hold on. This is Gwen. This is Gillean.
Well, I'm not ready.
Cherry. Yellow bite.
The caramel tastes good, so.
I want to put on mine. Wow! Oh my.
Put on yours.
You want green caramel?
And now I just needed some cherries.
Okay, come on. Toast, guys. You have cherry, Gabriel?
So I'm just gonna put cream on it and put it on.
Come on.
Dump on my
Move
face.
here. Saglit.
I'm just gonna dump on my face.
What's the hair in face? Gabe,
Let me
don't.
get my spoon.
Saglit.
Put dump on my face.
Put your face there.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Smile.
Smile.
This is my spot. Okay. Okay.
Here's mine. Go show yours. Here's mine.
This is Gail. And this is Gwen.
I just dumped on my face.
Mm-hmm.
I in my face.
Come on, egg. Mmm.
I need mine.
Yummy.
My back.
The caramel and the chocolate milk and the mix actually tastes good.
Tastes good, guys.
Yeah. Mixed with caramel. Good.
Tastes good, Gail?
And then have chocolate. What? We did not see that. We did not see that. How to do it? You can find it in here.
Well, under ours is just ice cream. Oh, so good. Comment which one's the best. Which one is the best?
Bye.
Bye.
I need to
Not
chew
yet,
them
bye.
up.
We need to finish.
Sarap, guys.
Thanks
So,
for
magbili kami na-
watching. Bye.
Yummy.
I want that some this. I want what please. I want some. Yum.
Brain freeze.
Yummy.
Oh, brain freeze. Ah, hurts.
I don't have a bone.
I got a brain freeze.
That's unique, Gail. Why do you want to use your spoon, Gail? Oh, yummy, Gail.
Mom, I'm gonna put whipped tea in my mouth. Put whipped tea in my mouth. And for watching. Bye.
Well, mine don't finish.
Finish all, guys. Don't waste it.
You can find it. I found it! I found it. The berry.
your face.
I slapped his face.
I need a chocolate.
I'm gonna do it to you, Mom.
No.
I'll do it to Gwen.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, I'm done. I think that.
Can you give me that towel, please? In my hand.
Go wash your hand.
I want to put the chair down.
Are you done?
And my nose. That was another two. Between my hands.
Hey, who did this?
Me.
You squirt me?
Yeah. No, I put on you.
So when is that? I'm on the caramel and the chocolate mixed well.
Yeah, Miguel?
Yeah.
Sit down, sit down. Mmm, yummy.
I don't
Mom,
die.
this is the stuff that they use for hot fudge. Mom,
Yeah?
they use this for hot fudge.
Yep.
Put that in my mouth.
Yeah, because it's hard to squeeze out. It tastes the same as hot fudge.
I want which one on my mouth.
What is this?
Chocolate.
Sit down, sit down.
Party!
Is no more?
Mom, you're supposed to shake it like this. This. Then it goes. Mom, shake it like this. I'll shake it. Now flip it over.
And Mama tried to wet just in my mouth. And double.
I overflowed his mouth and now look at me.
He's so silly.
Oh, let's put it in our hair. It's so.
Oh no.
That's enough. I went to jail.
Mom, you're not even finished with your Sunday.
I'm taking with you.
Yeah.
Eat it. No.
Hey, how do I?
You have to shake it. Mom. You have to shake it. I want blood in my mouth. I want blood in my mouth. I want a blood in my
Oh,
mouth.
sit down.
I want blood in my mouth.
Come on.
No, you come to shake it. You need to shake
Hey,
it.
let me do it.
No, you have to shake it. You need to shake it.
Party because we're there.
Sit down, girl. Sit down.
I want
Mama. So, malagkit na, girl. Malagkit na.
Mommy, put it in my mouth. Put it in my mouth. Why put it in my It's in my hand.
Now let me try.
And I put it in my mouth. I want it put in my mouth.
Flip it
And then
over like
you
this.
Okay, guys. Come on. Thank you for watching. Sa susunod, bye. Don't forget
To like,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
And then you do what?
take a shower. Mom, can we do a fun shower and fill the tub up? Every single year we can do this.
Sit down.
Mom, every single month we have to do this.
Okay.
Get
So,
on my neck.
Every single month. Mom, can we fill up the shower and have some fun?
You don't want to eat?
Well, I'm full. Well, can we go fill up the shower?
Go shower. Go shower yourself. Go.
Can we go fill it up?
Yeah.